To add PayPal to your Apple Wallet, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. If you do not have the Wallet app, you can find it on your home screen or in the app library. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a new card or payment method. You will see a list of available payment methods, including credit or debit cards and other digital payment services. Scroll down and select PayPal as your payment method. You will be prompted to sign in to your PayPal account or create a new one if you do not already have an account. Enter your PayPal login credentials to connect your account to Apple Wallet. After signing in, review the terms and conditions of using PayPal with Apple Wallet. Once you have accepted the terms, your PayPal account will be linked to your Apple Wallet. You can now use PayPal to make payments with Apple Pay, either in stores, online, or in apps. To use PayPal with Apple Pay, simply select Apple Pay as your payment method and choose PayPal as your funding source. For security purposes, you may be required to authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This adds an extra layer of protection to your transactions and helps prevent unauthorized use of your account. It is essential to note that you must have a PayPal account and an Apple device with the Wallet app to complete this process. Additionally, make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS to ensure compatibility with PayPal. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal to your Apple Wallet and enjoy the convenience of using your PayPal account to make payments with Apple Pay. This integration provides a seamless and secure way to make transactions, and it is a great option for those who prefer to use PayPal for their online and in-store purchases.